We are not going to divide by a fraction in this question. They're telling us to, but we're not going to do it. And in fact, we never do. I've never divided by a fraction in my life because there's a trick for turning this into a multiplication. Here's what happens. When we tell you to divide by 1 over 4, here's what you do instead. Leave the first number alone, exactly as it is. Change your division to a times, and flip the second fraction. Or do its reciprocal is the proper term. Instead of 1 over 4, you write 4 over 1. And now you multiply. Now, this is a bit of a problem. This is a fraction, and this is not. Can we multiply these? Oh, yeah, we can. We just do a little cheat here. We're going to take this 5. We'll make it a fraction as well. Now we're set. When you're multiplying fractions, you remember, you multiply the tops and you multiply the bottoms. So 5 times 4 makes 20. 1 times 1 makes 1. You could leave that at 20 over 1, but the other mathematicians would laugh at you. This is divisible. You can do 20 divided by 1 and it comes out to plain old 20. That's the answer you'd want to give. 20 over 1 is technically correct, but it's a silly way to write what's really just a whole number. So, when you're told to divide a fraction, you're not going to. You change this to a multiply and do the reciprocal. A lot of people, when they describe this, will use the phrase multiply and flip. And this is what they're talking about. Leave the first number, change that to a times, flip this upside down.